half mark questions from the chapter Transportation. Let us go into the questions. The first question, a student has explained closed circulatory system with an example of human being. But to explain open circulatory system, what may be the example to be explained? Here, the example for closed circulatory system has been given, such as human being. You need to give the example for open circulatory system. The example for open circulatory system is cockroach, or you can write the name of any arthropod insects. The next question, what kind of blood is transported in the blood vessel indicated as A in the given diagram? So in the given diagram, the blood vessel which is indicated A is the pulmonary artery. The artery which carries the blood from right ventricle to the lungs. So this blood vessel carries deoxygenated blood. The next question, fill the blank box in the given flow chart. This is the flow chart that represents the absorption of water through the root hairs and transporting it to the upper parts of the plant. So the soil water is absorbed by root hairs. From the root hairs it enters into the epidermis and reaches the cortex. From the cortex it finally reaches the xylem. From the xylem it will be transported to the upper parts. The next question, identify the wrong word and replace it with the right word. The scientists have done experiments on aphids to study about the transportation of food material in the xylem. Actually, the experiments on aphids have been done to prove that the phloem transports the nutrients. The next question, fill in the blank in the given para. Though the protoplasm of any cell, including nerve cell in our body, shows dash movement, the multicellular animals have to develop more complicated system for transportation of material. In general, the protoplasm of the living cells show the Brownian movement. Actually, in unicellular organisms such as amoeba, the Brownian movement helps for the transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the cell. Whereas in multicellular organisms, as the complexity is very high, they need to develop a particular system to transport the substances. The next question, identify the wrongly matched one from the following. There are three pairs, pulmonary artery oxygenated blood, pulmonary vein oxygenated blood, systemic arch oxygenated blood. So among these three pairs, we need to identify the wrong pair. Let us go from the C. Systemic arch and oxygenated blood. Systemic arch or aorta. Aorta carries oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to all the body parts. Whereas pulmonary vein, it also transports oxygenated blood from the lungs to the heart. When it comes to A, pulmonary artery. In general, arteries carry oxygenated blood, but the pulmonary artery which carries deoxygenated blood from right ventricle transports the deoxygenated blood to the lungs. Hence, the wrong pair is pulmonary artery oxygenated blood. This is the wrongly matched one. Next question, match the following. The first one is thrombokinase, sphygmomanometer and thalassemia. On the other side, there are blood pressure, blood clotting and heredity. If you match them, thrombokinase is to blood clotting. It means the thrombokinase is an enzyme which is involved in blood clotting. Sphygmomanometer is the equipment or instrument that is required to measure the blood pressure. Thalassemia is a disease, genetical disorder which is transmitted through the heredity from generation to generation. Hence the answer is 1 is to B, 2 is to A and 3 is to C. Let us go to the next question. Choose the correct group which is related to the experiment to prove the root pressure. Here there are two groups. A, potted plant, rubber tube, glass tube, water tub. B group is potted plant, polythene cover, thread, color and color liquid. Here the group of words which is related to the experiment to prove the root pressure, it is the potted plant, rubber tube, glass tube and water tub. The next question. I carry oxygenated blood from the lungs to left atrium. Who am I? Remember one thing, whatever the blood vessels that transport the blood in between lungs and heart are pulmonary blood vessels. We call them as pulmonary blood vessels. Just understand, the blood vessel which carries the blood away from the heart are arteries, and the blood vessels which carry the blood towards the heart are veins. Hence, the blood vessel which carries blood from heart to lungs is pulmonary artery, whereas the blood vessel which carries blood from lungs to heart is vein, pulmonary vein. Now let us answer this question. I carry oxygenated blood from lungs to left atrium. So hence it is a vein. What kind of vein? It is a pulmonary vein that carries oxygenated blood from lungs to the heart. Let us go to the next question. Right auriculoventricular septum is to tricuspid valve, whereas left auriculoventricular valve is to dash. In the heart, there are 4 chambers in the heart. These are atrium or auricles, these are ventricles. This is the septa between right atrium and right ventricle, whereas this is the septum between left ventricle and left auricle and left ventricle. So the right auriculoventricular septa contains the tricuspid valve. This is the tricuspid valve, whereas the left auriculoventricular septa contains bicuspid valve. So it is to bicuspid valve. The answer is bicuspid valve. It is also called as mitral valve. The next question is, identify the picture given here. This is the picture that represents the blood clot formation or blood clotting. The next question, which of the following group contains all the things needed for blood clotting? Group A, heparin, thrombin, hemoglobin and globin, whereas group B contains thrombin, fibrinogen, fibrin and thrombokinase. Group A contains the substances such as heparin, which does not allow the blood to clot in the blood vessels. Thrombin is involved. Hemoglobin is a pigment that gives red color to the blood and helps in transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Globin is a part of hemoglobin. So this is not the group which is related to the blood clotting particularly. Let us see the group B. Thrombin, fibrinogen, fibrin, thrombokinase. All these substances are involved in blood clotting. Hence, the group which is related to the blood clotting is group B with thrombin, fibrinogen, fibrin, thrombokinase. Let us see the next question. Ronnie has written the value of normal blood pressure as 80/120. Rewrite the correct value. What is the correct value? Yes, 120/80. 120 is the systolic value, whereas 80 is the diastolic reading. Let us see the next question. In animals belonging to nematodes, dash has taken up the function of collection and distribution of materials. In nematodes, there is a pseudocoelom. Pseudocoelom is the space or cavity or chamber which is in between the endoderm and mesoderm. So this coelom helps for the transportation of substances. The next question. What is proved by the given observation? So this is the experiment which is to prove the transpiration in the plants, which refers to the loss of excess of water through the leaves. The next question. What does the given picture indicate? This is the sphygmomanometer which is used to measure the blood pressure. Next question. What is measured with the following equipment? I have already said it is the blood pressure measured with this equipment. Next one. Double circulation is to human being, whereas single circulation is to, it is a fish, in which the blood circulates through the heart only once. Next, Identify the diagram given. This is the diagram that represents the double circulation in human being. Next question. I am one of the parts of human heart. I control the flow of blood in one direction. Who am I? So always remember the parts which allow the flow of blood in one direction are always valves. So it is a valve. There are 4 valves in the heart.